Hey, parents, you see what's happening, so let's talk about it. Right now, prices are rising, our groceries are at an all-time high, the economy is unpredictable, and financial security isn't guaranteed, it's built. That's why I'm hosting a live, hands-on family and finances workshop right here in Atlanta. This isn't another sit and listen event, right? This is where we are going to roll up our sleeves, engage with one another. It's going to be an interactive family experience where you and your child will learn and implement some smart money strategies together. So, here's what you're going to get out of this event. First of all, if anyone knows me, if you've been to any of my programming in the past, you know we prioritize fun. But at the end of the day, I want you to walk away with a family money playbook. That's right. It's going to be a customized roadmap to help you and your child manage your money wisely for years to come. Next, we're going to have a lot of hands-on challenges, some family competitions, so that you can compete for some prizes that will help empower your children to earn their own money, save and invest, and to spend their money wisely. We're going to wrap all of this into some real world financial lessons. And then finally, I really want us to start shifting our money conversations. There is no reason for our money talks to be awkward. No, with so many resources at our fingertips, this experience is going to make learning fun and engaging for the entire family. Now, who is this workshop for? This workshop is for parents who want to ensure that their kids are financially independent. Yes, I'm talking to you. We want to invite parents to invite their kids and teenagers. So we're looking at the age range of 10 to 18 who are ready to learn money skills that schools just simply aren't teaching. We want to talk to families who want to break generational money struggles and start building some wealth together. All right. Now, this event is going to be held Saturday, March 29th in Midtown Atlanta. You can get in now and register your family, your entire family, for $125. Now, spots are limited, so you need to sign up today. Do not wait to the last minute. If you are ready to prepare your child for financial success, if you want to give them a financial head start, then join me for this family and finances workshop being held live in Atlanta on Saturday, March 29th from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. I'll see you there.